Top 5 Best Durable Watches for Construction Workers. In this video we only show available and top 5 best durable watches for construction workers. Number 1. Fanmis Men's Military Multifunction Digital LED Watch, Electronic Waterproof, Alarm Quartz Sports Watch. Imported. Multifunctional, calendar month, day, date, alarm, water resistant, LED display, backlight, shock resistant, stopwatch. What you waiting for? This a great value watch, you don't want to miss. Solid stainless, steel back cover. Water resistant. Battery, CR 2025 battery life, 3 years. 7-color LED, backlight, with comfort, band strap. 7-color bright LED back lights, long press, top left button to change, makes time reading super easy and fun. Soft imported, PU watch band bring comfortable wearing experience. The compass window is for decoration, no any function. Fashionable, very charming for all occasions. Amazing looking watch, a great gift for family and friends. Number 2. Garmin, 0100206400 Instinct, rugged, outdoor watch, with GPS, features, Glonass, and Galileo, heart rate monitoring, and 3-axis compass, Graphite. Rugged GPS watch, built to withstand the toughest environments. Constructed to U.S. military standard, 810G for thermal, shock and water resistance, rated to 100 meters. Built-in 3-axis compass, and barometric altimeter, plus multiple global navigation, satellite systems, GPS, Glonass and Galileo, support helps track in more challenging environments than GPS alone. Monitor your estimated heart rate, activity and stress, train with preloaded activity profiles. Strap material, silicone. Stay connected with smart notifications, with a compatible smartphone, and automatic data uploads to the Garmin Connect online fitness community. Number 3. Casio G-Shock GWM5610 Men's Solar Black Resin Sport Watch. Made in the USA or imported. 200 in water resistance. G-Shock watch, featuring shock resistance, tough solar power, with battery, indicator, and power saving function. Approximate battery life, 10 months, on full charge, without further exposure to light. Multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping automatically receives time calibration radio signals from all 6 atomic clocks around the world, which keep the displayed time accurate. Electroluminescent backlight with afterglow ensures easy reading during day or night. World time W/29 time zones, 48 cities plus coordinated universal time daylight saving on/off. 10/100th second stopwatch. Number 4. SUUNTO Core Outdoor Sports Watch. SUUNTO Core, this classic outdoor sports watch is packed with intelligent features like a storm alarm, altimeter, barometer, and compass to keep you informed of conditions while you hike, bike, or camp. Water resistance, depth: 30 meters. Essential for adventure, this watch has dual times, a date display, and alarm, plus predicted times for sunrise and sunset to help maximize your daylight hours, and a depth meter, accurate up to 30 feet. SUUNTO Sports watches, versatile and durable. SUUNTO Sports watches are great for running, swimming, cycling, gym workouts, hiking, and other outdoor sports. Whatever your needs, SUUNTO has a watch for you. Adventure starts here, combining life, training, and recovery in balance. Number 5. Casio Men's GW7901 CR G-Shock Digital Display Quartz Black Watch. Imported. Power saving, turns off the display when the watch is left in the dark. Full auto calendar to year 2099. Authentic heritage. Founded in 1936, SUUNTO brings over 80 years of high quality, heritage, craftsmanship, relentless accuracy, and pioneering innovation to our watches, compasses, and dive products. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest top best product.